To number rows in Excel, you'll first need to select the column where you want the numbers to appear. In most cases, this will be the first column in your worksheet. Then, you'll need to click on the first cell in the column where you want to start the numbering and enter the number 1. Select the second cell and enter the number 2. Next, click on the cells containing the number 1 and 2 and hover your mouse over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a black cross. Click and drag the black cross down the column to the last cell where you want the numbers to appear. Excel will automatically fill in the rest of the numbers for you. If you want to start the numbering at a number other than 1, simply enter the starting number in the first cell and follow the same steps as before. And that's it. You've successfully numbered rows in Excel. Remember that if you add or delete rows, you'll need to adjust the numbering accordingly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to check out the playlist in the description below to learn more about Excel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.